Good morning. How are you all? Fine. Okay, so children, from today we are going to start our second term. Okay, so from page number 45, your lesson number 11 is there. Doing words, right? So from this chapter, your second term is there. Okay, so today we are going to study subject grammar of class 1. Okay, so children, first of all, take out your grammar workbook. Have you opened it, children? Okay, now see on the page number 45. What is our chapter number 11 is doing words. Okay, so now see, verbs are doing words and they tell us about the action taking place. What is the meaning here? Verbs means verbs are doing words. Why we call verbs as a doing words? Because they tell us about the action taking place. For example, I am teaching you. So this is an action. I am teaching you. That is action. So it is verbs are doing words as they tell us about the action taking place, right? You are writing, so that is action. So what we call that? Doing words, right? Now see here, words like talks, reads, are playing, is going, tell us about the action and are all verbs. These all are verbs, children. See here, playing, going, reading, talks. These all are verbs. Why? Because we are doing action here. You are talking to your friend, so it is an action, right? So here, these all things they are called as verbs, right? Why verbs? Because we are doing actions, right? Okay, so now see on the page number 46. See here, children, we have given here some pictures. Okay, so we have to find out which actions they are doing, and here brackets are given, so we have to choose from this bracket that what person is doing which action, right? So now, see first of all heading, what is it written? Select and write the correct verb from those given in the box, right? So, see here, first picture, see what a bird is doing. A bird is flying. So what we will choose here? See, in the first line it is written first bracket, flying. So write in your book, F-L-Y-I-N-G, flying. Why flying? Because here we are seeing the action. The bird is flying, right children? You can see? Yes. Now see on the second number here. What a boy is doing? Here picture is given. See, boy is sleeping. So what we will choose? See in the bracket in the second line. Here you have given the spelling. S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G. What a boy is doing? Sleeping. So what we will write? Sleeping, because it is an action, right? Now see on the third number. What a girl is doing, children? She is eating, right? So what we will write here? Eating, right children? Write in your book. The spelling is E-A-T-I-N-G. Okay? Clear children? Now see on the fourth number, see fourth picture, what is it? What a boy is doing? Boy is washing car, right? So what we will write here? Washing. So spelling of washing is W-A-S-H-I-N-G. Okay children? Now you clear after 1 to 4 pictures. Okay, so we will move further with the fifth number. Okay? Now see here, 5 number. What a girl is doing? Here you can see plant. Yes children, you can see a small plant in the picture, right? And what a girl is doing? She is planting, right? So what we will write here? Planting. Okay, now 6th number. See here, what a boy is doing in the picture? Boy is drawing on the paper. She has so many colors, right? And she has pencil. So what he is doing? He is painting on the paper, right? So what we will write here? Drawing. So come on, write in your book. Yes. Now see on the 7th number what a girl is doing. She is singing. What she is doing? Singing, right? So what we will write here? Singing. What is the spelling of the singing, children? S-I-N-G-I-N-G. Here you can see in the first bracket, in the first line, fourth number. Fourth number is spelling given here, singing, right? Okay, very good. Now see 8 number, children. What is the picture of it is? Yes, very good. It is a boy is brushing. Very good. So what you will write here? Brushing. Okay. Now see on the 9 number. What a girl is doing? She is playing. So what we will write here? Playing. Very good. Now what a teacher is doing? See here. Teacher is teaching. So what we will write here? Teaching. Very good. Okay. Now see on 11 number. What a boy is doing? Come on, tell me what a boy is doing. Yes. Very good. He is running. Right? Okay. And the last picture is what a boy is doing. Last picture is boy is swimming, right? Okay, very good. So children, clear up till here? Okay, now see on the page number 47. Okay children, here I have explained you that the actions, when action takes place, at that time verbs are called as doing words, right? So what we will learn here, when to use which verb, right? So now see, first we will read heading. See on the red lines, read each sentence and fill in the blanks with the correct doing verb. Okay, so we have to fill up these all blanks with the correct verbs. Okay, so I have told you what the verbs are. Okay, when action takes place and the verbs tell us that are known as doing verbs, right? Okay, so now see on the first number, Jatin is blank in the bed. Okay, so Jatin is blank in the bed. And what options are given here? Sleeping and eating. So, what we are doing on the bed? Sleeping or eating, children? Sleeping. Okay, so here boy is given. See, you can see your picture. Yes, what he is doing? He is sleeping. So, what our answer will be? Sleeping, right? Right? This is known as, this is verb. Why? Because here action is taking place. Why? Right? Because Jatin is sleeping in the bed. This is known as action. Right? Okay. Now see on the second number. The children are blank their books. So what they are doing? Reading or sweeping? What you are doing in your book? You are reading. Right? So what we will write here? Reading. Children are reading their books, right? Okay. Now see on the third number, children. The aeroplane is blank high up in the sky. What aeroplane will be in the sky? It will fly. Okay. So here action. Again here it is action. So what we will write here? Flying. Okay. So third answer is flying. Okay children, clear up till here. Now see, fourth number, Sunil is blank the ball very hard. What Sunil is doing? See, if you can see, come on, read the 4 number. Again, Sunil is blank the ball very hard. Kicking or plucking, what you are doing when you are playing? You kick the ball, right? So he is also kicking the ball very hard. So here again his action is taking place. So our answer will be kicking. Understand children? These all actions are taking place. So they are known as doing words, right? Okay. Now see on the 5 number. The policeman is blank after the robber. What a policeman is doing? See here picture. What a policeman is doing? He is running after the robber, right? After the thief. He is running. Who is running, children? Policeman, right? So here running and watching. What a policeman is doing? He is running, right? So our answer will be running. Okay? Now, see on the 6th number, the kangaroo is blank up and down. doing, children? You know, he is hopping. He jumps, right? From one place to another. He jumps up and down. So what we will write here? See in your bracket. What it is given? The kangaroo is blank up and down. Kangaroo can fly, children? No, it can not fly. So what we will write here? Hopping. Okay. Now see on the 7th number. Riya is blank very loudly. Help walking or singing. What she can do very loudly? She is walking or singing, children? Riya is singing, right? So our answer will be singing. Okay. Now see on the 8th number. Alia is blank Chinese food. What Alia is doing? Helping or eating? What she is doing? Alia is eating Chinese food, right? So our answer will be eating. Okay, children? Clear up till here? Now see, the fish are blank in the pond. What fish are in the pond, children? See here, you can see the picture of the fish, right? See. Can you see? Okay. Now the fish are, what are they doing in the water? They are swimming, right? So, here, now see on the 10th number, my mother is blank lemonade. What your mother is doing? See, my mother is blank lemonade. Cooking or making? She is making lemonade, right? So what we will write here? Making. Now see on the 11th number, the girls are blank hopscotch. What the girls are doing, children? Girls are skipping or playing? Playing, right? They are playing hopscotch, right? Okay, now see on the 12th number, my father is blank the car with the soap and water. What a father is doing with the car? He is washing, right? So what we will write here? Washing the car with soap and water, right? Now see here, Miss Anita is blank us English. What a teacher is doing to you? Teacher is teaching you a subject of English. So what it will be here? Miss Anita is teaching, right? Teacher teaches. So here it will be teacher is teaching. Miss Anita is teaching us English, right? Now see, 14 number. Mommy is blank the drum very loudly. What a mommy is doing? See here. What you are doing to drum? Beating, right? So it is beating. Okay. Now see, last number is Suraj is blank in the park. What Suraj is doing in the park? What you do, children, in the park? When you go, you play, right? So Suraj is playing in the park. Okay, children, clear up till here? Okay, so now we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.